For today's video, we're gonna learn about addition of decimals. So just like the normal whole number addition that you have to add vertically, it is also as simple as the decimal. First, you just have to align the decimal point of each number. Okay, let's start. So here, in the example 1.3 plus 7.5, the decimal points are already aligned. Then you just have to add per place value. So for example, 3 plus 5 is 8. Then copy the decimal point. 1 plus 7 is 8. So the final answer is 8.8. Now let's try another example. Decimal point already aligned. 2 plus 5 is 7. 5 plus 3 is 8. Copy the decimal point. 0 plus 0 is 0. Then bring down 1. Next, 5 plus 2 is 7. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Then bring down the decimal point. 0 plus 5 is 5. Then bring down 1. That's the final answer. Now let's try another example. 10.332 plus 7.8. So as you notice, the decimal point are still aligned. Hence, there's no succeeding number after 8. So you just have to bring down the other digits. So bring down 2, bring down 3. 3 plus 8 is 11, so carry 1. 1 plus 0 plus 7 is 8. Then bring down 1. Letter E. Let's try another example. 92.827 plus 2.18. Okay, so again, we just have to bring down the number without the adjacent or consecutive number. 7. Then 2 plus 8 is 10, carry 1. 1 plus 8 plus 1 is also 10. Carry 1, bring down the decimal point. 1 plus 2 plus 2 is 5. Then bring down 9. So the answer is 95.007. Another example, let's have 99.325 plus 0.675. Okay, so 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 2 plus 7 is also 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 3 plus 6 is also 10. Carry 1. Copy the decimal point. 1 plus 9 is also 10. And carry 1. 1 plus 9 is also 10. So the final answer is 100. Next, let's have 32.585 plus 90.26 plus 0.851. So these are three numbers. Okay, so as you notice, we don't have a value here, so let's just say this is 0. 5 plus 1 is 6. 8 plus 6 plus 5 is 19. 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 8 is 16. Carry 1, copy the decimal point. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. So the final answer is 123.696. That's it for today. I hope you learned a lesson about addition of decimals.